Do you watch the moon? Do you see TV? Or do you look a movie? Is it right, my dears? Oh no, something is wrong. So let's fix it today. Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today we will learn the difference between three confusing words: see, look and watch. Let's learn see in detail. See. See means no efforts automatically. We use see when we notice something with our eyes automatically without efforts. For example, I can see a bird in the sky. I see a rainbow. So we notice rainbow and bird without taking any kind of efforts. It got noticed by our eyes naturally. Did you try hard? No, it just happened naturally. So remember, see means no efforts. Now the next word is L-O-O-K, look. You try to see. We use look when we want someone to focus. You make effort to move your eyes. Remember, here whenever we are using look verb, we are taking efforts to look someone. For example, look at the board. If you are looking at the left and if board is at the right, so you will take little effort to look at the right. It means you will focus at the right. Second example is look at the tree. Third, look at me. So here we took some efforts to look at these particular things. Right? Hope it is clear to you. And remember my dears, after look we usually use at. Look plus at. These both the words come together. Now third is watch. Watch means see for some time. We use watch when we look at something moving for some time. It means we watch that moving thing for a particular period of time. Now let's learn how to use watch verb with examples. I watch a movie. Movie we are watching for a particular time, right? I watch a cartoon. Third, I watch a cricket match. So these are the examples of watch verb. Watch we use for a moving things. To watch for some time. Watch means you don't just see it, you focus for some time, right? So remember, watch means focus for some time. Let's revise. See means naturally get noticed. Look means we need to take efforts to move eyes. Usually we have at after look. Watch means see movement for some time. Now let's check your knowledge. Choose the correct word. First, dash at the sky. Second, I can dash a dog outside. Third, I dash cartoons every day. Think and note down your answers. Now check your answers. Look, see and watch. Did you get right? Now this is your homework. Total 5 sentences are there. You can solve in your classroom or at home. Now recall the rules when we have to use look, see and watch and fill in the blanks properly. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your family and friends. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next fun learning video.